We are in reading, and this is week 31 of school, and this is the week of April 12th through the 16th. So when we go into Monday's folder, we're going to be meeting at 9 o'clock. You do have 2 short videos to watch where I'm going to go through and introduce different elements of plays, also referred to as dramas. In the second video, we're going to go through and read this short drama together and talk about some of those structural elements, and specifically looking at details from the text and what those characters should be doing on stage. You are then going to read a short drama titled The Escape, and you have a graphic organizer. Your graphic organizer looks very similar to this one that we go through in the video and complete together. You're going to submit your graphic organizer here, and then you have week 23, the words and definitions, and then vocab day 1. This week is kind of interesting because the text for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday all share the same title. It's actually a very similar plot that they are sharing as well, but just written, in different ways, as a story, as a drama, and as a poem. So on Tuesday, we're going to meet and we're going to review that work from yesterday and then introduce today's text. You're going to read the text, The Escape. You can see there, yes, the same title. And then you have a couple questions. I believe there are 5 questions that you're going to answer from this story, The Escape. And then you are going to watch vocab day 2. So again, on Monday you read the drama. On Tuesday you read the story. On Wednesday, we're going to meet to review those questions and then introduce the text you're going to read today, which is the poem titled The Escape. You are then going to respond to this discussion board post. Please open it and read it very carefully. And you have day 3 vocab. Now, and just like the weeks before, on Thursday, you are going to read 2 texts, The Wonderful Wizard of Oz and an excerpt from The Wizard of Oz. This second story right here is a drama, so it's going to look very similar to the work that we did with The Escape. You are going to complete the practice FSA test. This will be a graded classwork assignment. I will not be able to reset those for you, so please take your time. Have both of these texts open in a separate window, and then open up this practice FSA test so that you can go back into the text to look for your answers. If you're able to print these, that would be even better. That way you can practice annotating the text and writing down some notes in the margin as you're reading. Finally, on Thursday, you have your day 4 vocab video. On Friday, most of the work will be done in our live meeting. We're going to go through and review that practice test from yesterday. We're going to do another grammar practice. And then you guys on your own, you just have this day 5 vocab video. You can see by looking at the words that are highlighted here. These are review words. So previously learned vocabulary words, just going back to revisit and review those. You can use any of that additional time, as you see here, to complete all of your other work. That's your week in reading. Let me know if you guys have any questions.